Alright guys, welcome all over to the channel and let's have a look at the Bitcoin and what will happen in the next couple of days. Well, take a look at the chart over here and you can see the current market situation. Market is going a little bit strong. Market got a little bit strong because of the strong fundamental news of stock market, right? Stock market is getting strong. Because of that, Bitcoin also getting strong, right? If you can remember the previous video that I have talked about, from this starting point around here, I told that there will be a market down momentum before a main uptrend is started, and exactly as predicted, now it's happened. And as well, I mentioned that this downtrend could be a sideways down momentum with weak sellers, just like that. Market made a downtrend with a weak sellers with sideways momentums. And now the last uptrend got a little bit stronger as the stock market is going up. Let's have a look at the fundamentals. Now S&P 500 in a resistance area, so there could be some market consolidations around this area, right? However, the fundamentals are strong right now. The strong news fundamentals, Nasdaq leads rally, Ford sales soar, and dollar rallies more than 300 points after the strong US economic data as Wall Street tries to snap 2-day slide, right? So fundamentals are strong. There's a high possibility to a strong stock market. So if that happens, Bitcoin also going up. But before that, when we look at the technicals, there is a strong area around here, a strong resistance area around here. So still there could be some consolidations, right? So if that happens, Bitcoin also could create another down momentum with weak sellers. This is how it's happened. Let's switch into the 1 hour time frame. You can see the downtrend, exactly market down along with our channels, right? Now the market is reversed from this area. They try to break this line but failed. Comes up with a strong uptrend as the stock market going up at this area. But now look at what happened. Buyers and sellers are struggling around here. The consolidation. SPX 500 tries to make a consolidations around here. We can expect some more down consolidations with weak down momentum. And as well, we have a strong support area also. So we can expect could come to downside if create a reverse momentum around here, if create a reverse downtrend before the main uptrend start, right? So if that could happen, however, because of the strong news fundamentals, the main uptrend is about to come. So before that, there will be some retesting, there will be some corrections. So this is how it's happened, right? That's what we can see. You can see the nice channels coming up, creating up. We could be able to see some main rally after this market correction. The whole downtrend is just a correction, just like that. Well, let's have a look at the Ethereum over here. Ethereum and correcting around this area, and buyers tries to make up from this area, tries to break this area, and this area over here like 1640 area, little bit strong. I think there will be more couple of momentums to downside before a main uptrend, just like that. I'm expecting some kind of market consolidations to the downside, exactly just like that, before a main uptrend started, right? So because this is a strong line, strong area, when we're looking at the volume profile, also kind of a strong line around here. So we can expect some down momentums before the main uptrend started. So I'm not buying around here, right? I'm not long. I'm making long once market reached around this area, or if create some kind of a market corrections around this area, right? Until then, I'm waiting, right? Until then, I'm waiting. If market straightly go up and then market reverse from this area all the way to the downside and will reverse from here, right? This is what I can see on Ethereum. And when we're looking at the Cardano, we can see some kind of market here also corrections. The uptrend is a little bit getting weak around here, right? Looking at the chart over here, little bit market weak, up and downside momentums in this uptrend, right? So I think buyers are still a little bit weak around here, and this area also a little bit high volume area while looking at the volume profile. However, buyers also weak in the past couple of hours, also sellers also weak, so we might be able to see some more market consolidations just like that. Even if it's going up, that would not be much strong one, that will be a weak one, so there's no much confirmations to take long around here as well. There's no any shorts too, right? So but we have a good confirmations, Ethereum and as well Bitcoin. So let's see what's going to happen. My main trend of Bitcoin is uptrend after this down retest happens. So let's see what's going to happen, and subscribe to the channel, guys, if you find these videos are useful, and stay tuned with another Bitcoin update.